Look there. Blood clean the mango, they must own my yard. Check this, check this, check, check, check. Mango. You know, if come to Jamaica for name them mango, yeah. I can't send you off. Hurry, look over my ground. Hello, kids. Them just have to drop like a bird. And eat this. Look this now. Looking at the bagger. Mango. Look over here. Mango them this. No. Yo, breeze a blow. Breeze a blow. Go and blow down my bed. You sit in the tree. Yeah. So I chill out and I pick up mango. Anybody wants some, they can come for some free of course.